Hey guys, it is Andre and today I'm coming at you with the new releases for this week. So let's go ahead and get into them. There will not be a Wiggle Wednesday this week just because it is going to be a busy 2 weeks with us moving and this release. Sorry, I'm moving around in my chair, but I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the bundle first. So I have mentioned, I think in last week's video and on Instagram a couple of times, that I will be removing all items. I think it'll be Thursday. I'll be removing all items from the shop, and this release will be only available with these items that I'm going to show you in this video. We are going to be doing a ginormous stock count for moving, and we're going to be packing everything up and moving it, and we will just be fulfilling items in this new release video. So whenever you order on Friday, this will all be what's available on the shop. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the bundle first. These items are going to be put into a bundle. I anticipate this being a pretty popular release. I don't know what will come back to the shop. It'll be based on what is left as far as stock goes, but I'll leave the bundle pricing down below. So as of right now, it will just be available in the bundle form. You can order other items with the bundle, so you'll be able to order any of these items a la carte with the bundle that you would like. So let's go ahead and get into what is in the bundle first. And let's go through this kit. There is a ton in here. A ton. So first things first is this release is Magic 2.0. This is based off of Disneyland, inspired by Disneyland, like the Disneyland castle, and you know, just different colors, exclusive art as per usual. And this will only be available in an ultimate kit, and it'll be available only in the bundle for now. So this is the ultimate kit. I'm going to go ahead and flip through it. I love the colors in this. If you guys saw, I did actually do a plan with me using this kit, and you have like a faux, like kind of like hollow accented glitter throughout. It's just like a multicolor faux glitter. Love everything about this. Love this with silver or hollow. And then you have your bottom washi here, which is super pretty. I love the abstract pattern, and then you will have your little freebie there as well. So that is the ultimate kit. As far as stickers, our regular like stickers and house go, in the bundle there will be some tall boxes. So you have the 3 girls there as well as the castle, super pretty. And then you have 2 different glitter samplers. You have the glitter sampler that matches. I also am doing the like hollow one. I figure this one could kind of be used with a bunch of different kits. We have kits coming in the future that's going to have the same exact kind of like faux hollow glitter looking throughout the kit. But I also feel like these are pretty usable colors. So they're both going to be in there, as well as the regular fashion girls. So you have the tall and the short versions, but they are different girls. And then there is also a 15 millimeter strip. There are some really cute scribblers with the ears with glitter on them, which is super cute, faux glitter. So those are the stickers, and then there is also a washi card, which is super cute. And if you have our marble one or the one from Accio Pink, it is the same type of like plastic washi card. Then there's also a vinyl. This is a square vinyl with the castle. There is a little iced coffee that says Aurora on it. There is also these balloons. These are all on vinyls. And then there is this ears. We did opt to, instead of having this filled in with white, to just have the connector be here. I actually have this on my laptop, which isn't anywhere near me, but I just went ahead and trimmed the bottom area. But I love this. I just thought that was better than having the middle white. So that is the stickers. There is also a pin, which is super cute, and it's like a little like a pink heart ice cream cone, which is super cute with silver enamel. There is also a washi bundle. There are 4 washis in here. I'm going to go ahead and open them. Do I have open ones? Let me actually see if I have open ones. I don't think I do, but I'm going to double check. No, I don't. So I'm going to go ahead and open these for you guys off camera. But there are 4 washis. So there is a washi bundle. I'll go ahead and open these real quick. So these are the 4 washis. They do have a hollow foil on them. Let me see if you can see. These actually might be my favorite washis I've ever done. I just think they're so pretty. I love the hollow. There's like little hollow twinkles throughout this little pattern here. I love like the continuous pattern on these. I did this similar one with our first magic set, and I believe the first magic set still might be online, but those are the 4 washis that are going to be included in the bundle. They will be solid up. And then last but not least, there is also a TN kit, which I'm not calling these TN kits anymore, actually. I'm calling them Deco Kits. I've actually went ahead and made it a little bit more condensed and smaller, so the price will reflect that in the future for our future TN kits. This one will be available in the bundle. So you do still have your 6 papers. I feel like this is very important. So these are what they look like. So you have a purple pattern, and then you have a bow, white with purple bows, and then you have the pink pattern, and then you have the faux glitter bows, and then you have this pattern, which is my favorite, with kind of a like similar colored bows on the back. So those are your 6 papers on the same paper as per normal. There is no acetate or vellum in this. I'm kind of moving away from doing specific ones just because we have packs in the shop now. I did 2 journaling cards. So this one says, "A dream is a wish your heart makes," with the hollow foil. They are individually celloed. And this one says, "There is a great big beautiful tomorrow shining at the end of every day," in hollow as well. They're super beautiful. There is also there is a die cut pack, and we're no longer doing the foil die cuts just because we can do a lot more non-foiled ones, and we do these ones in shop, so it actually is way quicker to be able to do TN kits on the fly a little bit more. So these are all on the like glossy paper. It's the same if you have a bow bookmark from us, it's the same paper, and it's really nice because then the colors are exactly the same as the sticker kit, which is nice. So these are all the different die cuts. There's literally like a ton of them. This one I had cut, I think Ryan cut it, and he was like, "Andre, this is messed up." And I was like, "No, I made it like this so that whenever you can kind of put it on the edge of the paper and it sticks out." So kind of like we had a Polaroid one once that like that. And then there's the bows, and then there's the little Polaroid. So you got a ton of die cuts, really nice big die cuts. I love big die cuts. They are my favorite. So those will also be in the Deco Kit. I'm not calling it a TN kit because you can use it in obviously other planners. A lot of people use this for like scrapbooking and other types of like deco stuff. So I feel like a TN kit's kind of like a limiting name. So you do have a bow bookmark. This is probably one of the favorite items in the kit itself. There are tabs. I don't know if I'm going to continue doing tabs because this feels very like TN kit feeling, or ring kit, and I kind of want it just to be like a Deco Kit. Then there is a little white bow paper clip, which is like a little freebie for this one. And then there are some journaling cards. So you have double-sided journaling cards. So you have, this one has the castle on one side, and then the Aurora Starbucks cup. Then you have this one here with the girls. You have the different skin tone, hair color options, 2 different girls on there. So just a bunch of different girls there. And then we do have these seals, which are our newer seals. I actually don't, have you guys seen these? I don't think so. So our old seals were on a different paper. They didn't have like a white background. They were just kind of, I don't know. I prefer these. I think they look more professional. So this is what the seals look like now. They're on like that really nice like premium matte paper that our wiggles are on, and they just look super beautiful. It's like the matte paper with the hollow, so you get 2 sheets of those. These are absolutely stunning, and I definitely will be keeping them on this paper. Oh, they were kind of like this, where they were just like no backing. I think it looks more professional to have the backing, so super excited about those. So that is everything that comes in. This will be the Deco Kit. Like I said before, this will be, all this stuff will be available in a bundle. I don't know if the manufactured stuff will come back to the shop later on, just because it'll kind of be based on what sells out and what doesn't sell out, or if it does or doesn't sell out. So this will be available this Friday as a bundle only as of right now. Then, like I said, if anything doesn't sell out, we will bring it back later. Then I do have some other releases that I want to show you guys. So I am releasing a monthly. A lot of you guys wanted some kind of Disney magical inspired monthly, and I thought this art was perfect. So this is the kit. This will be available a la carte. It is not included in the bundle because I know a lot of people don't use an Erin Condren monthly. And then you have your labels page, and then you have your boxes page. Super cute. So that is the kit itself. It's 3 pages as per usual. And then there is also the option if you want to add on the deco sidebar, and there's also an option if you want to add on the functional sidebar. And then I have a ton of foil releases for this week. These are all very magical releases, so let's go ahead and get into them. So first things first, do have a soda on this? Yes. So first things first, well, everything comes in all 3 foils that are normal and also hollow. So that'll be all available a la carte. So you'll have the 3, you'll have an all 3 option, and then hollow will be by itself as per all of the new hollow items. So the first thing I'm going to show you in silver, because it's easiest to see, is mini magical decos. These are mini sized. Then we have the larger ones. I did use both of these in my plan with me this week. So we have the larger deco. Then there is also the quote boxes. These are the same quotes that are on the journaling cards. Super cute. I love these. Then you have the parks. So you have Hollywood Studios, Epcot, Magic Kingdom, Animal Kingdom, Disneyland, and also California Adventure. Then there's also some new movies. These are all Pixar movies. So they're so cute. And I love these. They're lettered so beautifully. You will not find this anywhere else. Then you have the full box overlays, which are super cute. I'll show you guys on the silver. So that is what they look like. You can use them any way. And I love them. So cute. Then we also have the header overlays, which are the same type of design. And then last but not least, we also did redo the little bucket list sheet, which is super cute, with all of the magical bucket list items. And I did use most of these items last week, besides the Pixar movies, because I didn't watch any Pixar movies, but they're so cute, and I'm gonna watch all the Pixar movies with Bubba so I can mark them down in my planner using these beautiful stickers. So that's everything for this week. Again, these items will be available a la carte, along with the sidebars will be available a la carte. This will be available in the kit, and then the rest of the items will be available as a bundle. Like I said, all of the items in the bundle that are manufactured, this may be the only chance to purchase them. The sticker kit will most likely come back in the future by itself, but everything else I don't think, and it might be a while for that too. So that's everything for this week. Again, this will be the only things available in the shop on Friday. Everything else will be coming down for a giant stock count, and these will be shipping sometime next week. So that's everything for this video, and I hope that you guys like it.